Hey you all, ladies and gentlemen, it is Eshe Sanga here, the sexiest man in Scran, the chocolate vanilla. Welcome back to another episode of Eshe Sanga and Friends. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and share. Jobanias and I'm always with a guest, a special guest, artist, a rapper, a producer, event organizer. And let's go introduce Zamiega as Kazemogwaki. Ayita kunjani?
Awe kuhle kunjani kwepho?
Hayi ndaphila. Tacela nje ukuthi ngawe nje ibiography yakho ba usukaphi zonke zona.
Like fully
Sibeke uyondlala.
Okay, Young M Beats lo anizochaza igama lamanyana. Young M Beats lo the artist, I'm a producer. I also do events. Sininzi ya. So ngokuhlala itown yami Gajana, ngihlala Gajana ngoGajana. So I'm from Eastern Cape. So I came here ngumsebenzi. Ngihlala noMzamo for now. Ngihlala lapha eStrand noMzamo for now. I started doing music go 2017. From 2017 I met abantu abanje ngo Mseja Wood or Rich Wayne. So ngabantu abane influenceayo in terms of starting the music at that time, because bengazinto edibene nomculo. So that's how I started doing music. Then I started recording in 2018 early grade 8 that time. So I started recording. As much as I was recording, then datibana no producer, I met Umalo Mutangane. So I learned to learn as a producer from Bona. That was in 2018, in 2018. And then in 2019 or 2020? 2020, 2020, I met to pour the Rich in 2020, since Malumuamba, Eastern Cape. So from then, Napanda, cooler, from there, Funsindo's Ninzi, when Nigga Studio to record. So I joined headquarters. As much as I was in the headquarters, Sasebenza Nagwe enemy, so because those are the first people that Tibanavo or Malumutangani. Then the Tibano Poor the Rich. Then from then Skill Samsa Cola to the level Sukuyo. Yeah.
So do you still remember your first song?
I still remember when I'm Kala. A city back in the days.
Hey John.
Back in the days, man. But that time I hit song, then it turned at that time.
Was things improve and you want to realize but nah.
I don't like the voice.
What's that now? Is it going to socials?
I sang it Roche. Sang it Roche socials so but it's a corner I can get it anytime the phone.
No get release.
There is something
it must no get release just by the book.
I was very low that time, confidence. They have quite confidence but I equal.
Yeah.
The guy and even one did cool then that was my first record. Then I recorded Google Saint. So
since Ungu Young M, like what's the story behind your stage name? Okay, now what's Tia Young M now?
El Gamal Young M, I think like Gamal start to come a Gamal making our seven as an artist. That calendar has Biza Uli Young, and something really young. Really young. I don't believe but so improve the come from this suitable from but then along the way I wanna know that one little saying I'm not record the pala then what to bra. Lil Young is not making any sense because Lil Young John Lil Young. So basically young Kamalam young. Yeah. So how about Veruti since Nandu's on Elvo almost that time. So how about Lil Elvo or Young Elvo? That game no. In terms of my name change Young Elvo. That how about the Young M? So Dabang Young M didn't guy has meaning. So I was searching but I think Young M John, Young M don't, young man, young don't. Then up until in the Dabugela movie. The movie it was called Mercenaries. Then it went to Eastern Cape food. So the movie Liana about I'm a soldier athunyelwe kwenye country savor abanye abantu abakwenye country yabo, like la ukidness mhlawumbe ukidness from any country ufuna sokuthunyela amajoyi bamakaye pha ayokwenza yonke la weleyana ayobuya nabantu abaya, so abantu were called mercenaries yabo. So nami ndayithatha mna lanto to music ba no how about the young MPs. The reason why I'm young mercenary because of I felt like ndithunyiwe yabo, ndizokwenza umsebenzi. So I'm standing for my people, I'm helping where I can yabo, and nyanle I'm helping where I can. If besides the music, in the music side there's a lot of izinto that I do, and then that nami ndiwilling ukwenza for abantu, unceda abantu to grow yabo. So ndalithathela gamba ngoba kule right for young MPs yabo, this young MPs young mercenary.
Yavakala ijam sayanje xa uyi-artist there's always abantu baza nala negativity ba okay you can't do this, abaza nenzondo. Like how did you manage ba okay awuzozowa ezondo uzofocusa kule journey yakho?
It took time for mna ba ndibe ne confidence. Even ngoku ndinayo confidence but ayikabikho that much ngalendlela ndiqonga yabo, ngiyazivanga ngoku young MPs lo ngenayo yabo. So lado liyana I started from Eastern Cape. That time I was staying in Eastern Cape yabo. And from Gqoka I was bullied yabo, but when ngayazi ba bullying up until ndakhula naboma no that was bullying man. Ayikho lebebubhanga. And then I was allowing yonke la weleyana, and then usitwa ndimbi, and then yonke lanto yangena straight kum ngoma eyanqoma ndimbi nyana nami ndiyaqoma ezinye izinto ngoba azikotha ndimbi ndithwa ndicwaka because ndiyazazi ba ndimbi nyana apha nthi ndabona noma baninzi abantu ababi apha emhlabeni cha ke ngoba ne confidence too much yabo, banalawe ba ngabo and babe sicela bangabo, there's nothing you can do ngalonto leyo yabo. So from primary apha from grade 7 yabo yaqala pha confidence yami ukhula kancinci, and then that time I was also starting rapper, ndandibizwa ngomrapper onenhloni yabo, because ndandinenhloni nyani ndijonga phansi bese ndirapper yabo, ndijonga phansi bra njani ngomrapper onenhloni force ba manje mic. So I had to do it because ndandiyazi man mayiyo le ndiyenzayo man, and ndiyarhalela uyenza, ndiyarhalela ukhula. So yonke lanto leyana la pressure ndandiyifaka uba hey yenza ithi kanje awuzukwazi urecorda ngoku because work wena okuthiwa workness corrupted, iverse lakho liyacrocha yabo, uba kurekhordwe ingoma nibaninzi iverse yakho liyasuswa la wena ingoma yakhe ya-attack, zasenzela ingoma yami ndedwa mos apha. So ndakhula kanje yonke la wena to a point ubana I feel like no man, abantu baphambene abantu mabathethe into ayithethayo ayizuni-affecta yonke lanto leya. At the end of the day abanibhatala abantu yabo.
So after yonke le movement then out of the blue there's a group called Amaqaba. Who's behind yonke la movement? Okay, see now didibanisa uYoung M no 787 no Sichotho Baby no Diamond now sizibiza ntoni Amaqaba ngoba noza la idea yoba okay now nansi kudruya Amaqaba and we are going to take over isigrand. Idea kabani yonke leya?
Amaqaba came from 2 different studios. I was there from headquarters and from enemy. So as much as bananisebenza no Quad Race bensebenza no Malume Uthangane yabo, which is uMalume Uthangane ustayle lesipana phaya, uTime lesipana phaya, uSichotho lesipana phaya. So nami lesipana both sides yabo. So amaxesha amaninzi sisoloko sisonke yabo, we are doing music sisonke, si recorder sonke yonke la weliyana. I think we discovered into yoba now we are different, we can name ourselves Amaqaba. From music besimenza were so different and a bit different other than music ebekhona. So then we came with igama. Both there was a igama that came from uMalume LCD Trap Amaqaba. That was Trap Amaqaba yabo. And then uSichotho decided to buy enze album ethi Amaqaba, and then from then ndabuya la nizene endabeni ubuya kwami, then nami ndanalahanga yosipana yabo, then sahlala phansi yabo, but then uhlala phansi by 4, then we decided but no how can singazibiza amaqaba singathi singamaqaba phofu neligama lithi amaqaba sasiye eBU session singekayazi ba amaqaba into sasiye eBU session then from then sadibana ngeBra sibuza ba singobani sisichaza ba ngubani as individual but then wathi bra how about nizibize as collectives ezigamele one because umculo utrap yamaqaba so how about nithi amaqaba then we agreed on that and that's where yonke layenze
okay ngiyamukhona so because beba short abantu about news kasibona ipost zamaqaba hayibo there's a missing person here call umuntu ushotile namaqaba like what made you to ba okay I now I'm leaving amaqaba bewe conflict ekhoyo okanye it was just idea yakho now ndiyayeka uba liqaba
I can say it's growth bra it's growth yakukhula as much as basi singabantu sisebenza sonke but you realize sometimes I realize but no I was supposed to ban ndenze izinto zami yabo and now I'm not able to ban ndenze izinto zami so delay yabo and I'm seeing ba no siya delay sana sonke yabo so we are not putting the work yonke la wena siyaqhathana khaba hayi sokwenza le but we don't like put the work out as much as basa senza kanjalo so I believe the differences in the sense that singaspan song now I feel like no let me push my music as young MPs alone now.
Well, the reason why I'm asking the question there because undo 77 ingathi ayimhleli ncam lento umjita ingala bekho conflict ekho between nina and us but there's a reason reason but awuchazeki ba okay ngebe but ikhona yona but asizayive sithobezi abambe sithobeni so since ubuyi kwewatsho ba event organizer then you know created G2G that is a performer so what happened to G2G
the energy dropped abantu became busy yabo as much as basenza lewe that time besinexesha yabo and then beninexesha nami bense high school was that time and then I don't even dinali ixesha yabo so I can be able to banenza izinto so I was running a lot of things yabo sezinto ezininzi because they are available and because emsebenzini yabo and then after ngifumene ndigqibile esikhala that's where izinto ziqalise khona utshintsha abantu started to get serious ngo life wabo because as much as ba usenza umculo no life ufuneka umphile yabo ufuneka utyile yabo so people had to go to work and then nam ansenale la xesha loba okay now I'm free I'm able uba ndirun into ezithile so the energy dropped yabo it dropped yadropha nalapha kum and in terms of music yadropha yabo because now I was too focused kumculo wamaqaba yabo way amaqaba I was too focused kuyo then ezinye izinto that's drop
sebusithi bu focus kumculo wamaqaba and now uyasho ba uzimele wedwa so any ideas ba okay G2G buya nini awukahlali pha ucimba okay G2G now ungenza comeback enzima needs to come back ebantwini because abantu basayibona G2G abantu
yeah G2G ayifanga bra andifuna ugqoka ayifanga G2G sekhona G2G yaqala ayikabiki ipost yakhe ndayibona sithi G2G into khona house again yabo isekhona yabo remember last year before unyaka valo semva unyaka besine sessions and besisanda ziqala futhi sessions yakhona so hosting a session was an idea of bringing back ilanoza G2G but then now izinto zachinja as I'm saying abantu bakhula yabo so now we are no longer looking for la crowd sasenayo because abantu bakhula more so now we are looking for abantu abamatured for wonke umuntu yabo so we cannot just say it's a host event you can do that cities host event but then who's going to come to event you need to market the event you need to be known ngandlela sasazwa ngayo uqaleni so rather than basi cities host event why not singaqala nge-sessions then sessions are gonna grow and then when we see that okay now we have enough audience now but city sends something then people will come definitely so this is that are coming as so each sessions they're gonna host again I think around Feb these sessions out also host a food then we're gonna focus on more with sessions more often with sessions then G2G will come we have a big plan for G2G it's coming it's not dead yet ndisekhona apha emhlabeni ayikafi
ngake ndivile guys there's something coming call and desire G2G So kukho lo mjita aniperforma naye kwi G2G kuzozonke almost kuzozonke shows kuzozonke shows and ebe friend yenu. So after I release la this song like it was even njani ba like damn
ubalo ba uthina ngayo
Black Indoda, the one and only Black.
uBlack usidisile sinazi ukuthi sinendona
Like-
asinayo reason.
Then kwa reason nje ba why ni disile ayikho.
Baxa udibene nabo kumbuzo kambiza kwa podcast umbuzo ba wayesidisela ntoni.
Black Indoda akasabonakala ndanoba kwenzeka ntoni ngaye endleleni sama nobuhlala.
Na I feel like
Okanye beyenzela nje just for views
cloud for a cloud, yeah, we do it for a cloud, we do it for ba never ba. Now they understand it unfold, they understand the way level. They understand the way. Now as much as bandicela ba nandropile yabo. Abantu abasandazi ngalandlela abantu abendazi ngayo that drop yabo. That means dawo ngamanye amagama yabo. So now I'm starting to pick up slowly and slowly. Abanye abantu ke will take the long way. Abanye abantu will think dissing someone who's like okuthethwa ngaye at the moment izokwenza ba lonto le izokwenza ba kuthethwe ngabo nabo yabo. So yeah, and in terms of music they understand but why was desire because of wayefuna kuthethwe ngaye. But unfortunately people zange bayenze lonto le because you can't diss amacherry onke uthi amacherry wethu uthi mahabi ugqibe expect ba hayi ngeke. There's no such. So yeah, at that time, I don't have beef naye. Dadibana nathela naye. I don't have beef naye. Yabo. And then naye I don't ngicela ba wayendisela ntoni. But mina ndayazi ba wayendisela ntoni. Bayifuna ukwaziwa. Which is it's helping mahlam for yena yabo. Bize ebecinga umsebenzela or yamsebenzela mahlam andiyazi yabo. So something like that. Ayikho personal yona. But yena maybe personal andiyazi.
Ungayavakala. Nje uyi-artist you all know you do features. Yaba kungoma zabantu bekhona. So xa ucinga who gave you like the bad verse and the best verse qomba akho but ngifuna igama uchaza manje qomba mbayo aqomba hayi bra verse yakho na man ayiningi la energy ngokuyimamela ngomqomba hayi no man phinde ubhala again yena lokunike iverse qomba yeah you said this one ngandicishiwe but angicishwanga but izam nani.
I doubt uba ukhona umuntu wakho anika iverse engalithandi because first of all yabo one thing endayifundayo ngomculo wami ndenzayo yabo key yabo inhlelanisa uphakathi reswan funsa a lot about the key yabo. If lento iculayo is off key ngeke ihlale kumenzebe zami yabo. Even nomculo nemamelandi pick in terms of choosing umculo and it very fast over into off key yabo. So bonke abantu senzisuko kwenza nabo umculo waye on point yabo umculo iverses zabo zazi on point because they were on key yabo. Ngale key ndiyifunayo ngalendlela ndiyifunayo yabo. Ayikho iverse engqoma ukho umuntu akanika iverse engqoma iyalverse andilithandi yabo. If andilithandi samxela makawubhale linye kwanza mfaka kwenye ingoma yabo. That's simple. There's so many people endabaxela lo leba no how about ndikufaka kwenye ingoma yabo. Because if I feel like le key uze ngayo ucula ngayo apha kule ngoma lena I fit ngalendlela ndiyifuna ngayo. So how about ndikukhangalela enye ingoma ungene kwenye ingoma.
Iyavakala. So who are your top 10 artists lapha eSkrand? Qala lapha eSkrand.
Storm Wave.
Yeah.
Storm Wave. Young A. Timer. Banom.
Ke mama sibe kanje. I-top 10 yaba number 1 is the one. Njalo njalo until u10.
Top 10.
My list nje ya.
Andifaka Storm Wave. Storm Wave number 1 personal. Storm Wave number 1. Defend, follow yakhe. Number 1 Storm Wave. Be Young A. Be Timer because Timer the most the collaborator kakhulu naye ngoba ne collaboration ezininzi ezizayo naye nomculo phambili kakhulu. So Timer abantu ku Storm Wave Young A, Timer, kubanom yena. la andifuni uxoka andifuni nema umuntu ongakhupha umculo ma they are few
akakoneki nowakhupha
zininzi imbalwa bra artists zininzi artists ezikhoya estrand but zimbali artists eziphushayo so angeke ndibale umuntu ongakhupha umculo man benzazi uba ndiyamkhupha umculo man ndiyaphusha yonke la wele so abanye abantu andibabali andiyazi bakuthini ngiyababali but andibabali
ka ubabala awubavayo without uba bakhupha umculo nje awubavayo qha
endibavayo okay Storm Wave Young A uTimer ibe bangana hayi bra ngabeli artist bra stand nangona zininzi ubangana Utsembu ayi-tricky le question yakho ngawubala one
lezi artists beSkrand babono Crap Lord Sithotho Baby okay Nacho
ngoba okay and that was
Max artist
artist Storm Wave Young A Timer ibe baniphushela kanene ibe nguthile yaniphushela nala group yakhona ngikho baba bayi group nawo kanje anqandwa anikhoshonga andibazi like bonke amagama abo want like ngiyabona manje ayaphusha nawo
entertainment
I
think so
ayaphusha and then ibe ngo Treasure which is ilanuza 1606 entertainment nazi ibras yabo ziyaphusha ibras ngihlala nazo studio record ibe ngo Switch Woods yabo no Switch Woods yaphusha naye ibe ngu Black Star recorder upha under ilanuza Matrix studio yabo ngamanje taniphushelayo la ngoma ya ndiyawamamela
okay why babe ngamvu refeel
kaloku mna nomculo nomthandayo mna endimamelayo andimthanda umculo nomthandayo
i-rap like i-rap
I'm into i-rap ne but funeka ibe i-rap ngithanda umculo o-melodic yabo andikho kulala yo udope for iclass yakhe. This is a new class move. We are talking about a new class. This is a new
class la i-rap.
But mina zanda ithana kwaseqaleni mina nje. I-rap zanda ithana kwaseqaleni. They support yona yabo. I do listen to new artists as a rapper. But i-rap zanda ithana kwaseqaleni. Zanda mina i-chance oyimamela.
I think you are pause. I think
the right doesn't pause man. Ngifuna ukuba ngithi.
So now let's play nje i-game nyana. Nje you prefer. Ako beef, ako ndo watwathi. Because athi izigqibo ezibiza. Izawuchoose nje one, ako both, ako ndo. So u prefer abani between Stormy Wave no Mbalo Sibibo Mbizini?
Stormy Wave no Young A.
No Young A.
Stormy Wave no Young A.
Yeah.
I prefer Young A.
Young A. Lista ka intrigue kodwa Stormy Wave number 1 then you prefer
Mfaka number 1 no matter what mfaka number 1
but now you prefer Undo. Okay, so
in terms of pushing yabo yabo umuntu hamba phambili Young A yabo but then in terms of liking the music and all that Stormy Wave. So that is also Stormy Wave mfaka number 1 into number 1 because umculo wakhe right for me.
So who do you prefer ku Ivy Soul Nina Manji?
Nikudu. This is artists alapha estrand lezo.
Hayibo bra.
Babo, sizinyana ulilamandla waqhwanula lesimculo.
Andazi.
Waqhwanula ngomculo. When you go through exactly when you go through iprofile yakhe uyayibona ukuthi wena umculo pha.
Okay, Ivy Soul no. No Queen. Lilith, Utikon, yeah.
I prefer Queen.
I
prefer some melodies that is permanent.
Yeah, good producer. Prefer Poor the Rich, no man Mutangan.
I prefer Poor the Rich. Same. I prefer water rich. Yeah, I prefer him.
Prefer him.
I prefer him.
I say Repapa. The Repap.
In Cape Town, I prefer water rich. Yeah, don't
Cape
they?
Town.
In terms of mixing, in terms of mastering, water rich. Bakantu yami ngiyabanye bese bathi bese emva kwakhe bonke because serious Brian yabona in terms of equality ikhona la ukuthi azimahlambe siperform endaweni ethile yabo kufanele kuba izpeaker mina ndiyamamela kakhulu xa ngifike show ngamamela qala isound ngabe ikhala kanjani yabo ngabe ingoma kabani ikhala kanjani because umcingala le yami uzayiperform so every time when I'm listening to ingoma zabanye abantu you will feel like sometimes I feel like mhlawumbe like volume yakhona adjustment ze volume zakhona low a bit low yabo so na ufuna kuyonyuswa pha kuzikhale phezulu okanye ingo 808 ya distorter okanye vocals zithonile kwingoma but that's into ndifumanayo most of the time ufumana sekuba vocals ziba low ifika ibeat ikhala kakhulu so umuntu angavakala ukucula ngantoni but umculo wethu hayi umuntu orecorda kaPoder umculo wakho clean bro clear and loud ngendlela grand yabo even the beat 808 the way ichoka khona yabo perfect bra ayikho mina since ndahamba ishows mina ayikho quality engoma yayo ugqithe kaPoder ihamba phambili andikayimameli umculo ngamameli wonke but iquality kaPoder is standing ihamba yodwa bra yamba yodwa you can compare now umameli udlala ingoma kabantu udlala ingoma kabantu bani uthi ba yapi ingoma too loud apha ngendlela egrand yabo
sesizayivala da before sivala akho mazwi nje ufuna uwendlala noba amazwi omotivate nje into ofuna nje uannouncer
no motivation motivation endinayo kwanye amagama ambalo nawo
phande camera
amagama anawo kuthukaba there's no time for talking. Masibe ecaleni. We've been talking since from 20 whenever. That was I said, hi, no, this is the year. Why we need to do this and this and this and this. This year, from now on, we are doing izinto now. Abantu bazobona izinto sense. So I'm telling whoever that is gonna watch this video or bukelele video, ba do sicela bazokwenza ntoni masiqinga also drop video masiqinga also drop music masiqinga also hamba shows masiqinga also host so sibiza kwi-event zakho susixelela uba uzokwenza ugqibungenzi because if be careful into oyithethayo uyakwazi ungayenzi ngoba usathana umamele bra whatever ithethayo iya-reflect aba usathana uyayiva imamele ba nothi uzokwenza le nto ethile ayitshintshe yena ngendlela yakhe yabo and apho ungayenzi so just do when a push. This is the year of push. I'm not saying about this is the year because but this year we're gonna make a lot of huge impact.
Okay. For the last time, chazela abantu ba ngubani ku socials?
Young MPs everywhere. Young MPs. If you know X Young MPs, Facebook Young MPs, Instagram Young MPs, yabo. Email yam Young MPs. Yaman Young M Kondile. Yeah, youngmkondile@gmail.com. So I will say number yam pha kwi-video yakhona
sesizayivala siyivala ngendlela especial nge-freestyle
yabona ke in terms of ucula ndilele ucacisela ba no mna eyona nto ndiyibeka phambili apha kum like as much as ndiyi-creative yabo ilantuza producing yabo yona ndiyo ndiyibeka phambili then in terms of like andikwazi urapper brand
nje few bars nyana nje ivalwe nje
ana-bars next mna the only thing endiyenzayo I record i-hooks mna I'm good when it comes to i-hooks bawuthi ma ndikubethele i-hook hayi andingakubethela i-hook ndikuculele
beta noba i-hook
izawubiye i-hook yam
izovalwa nje kadlala without freestyle nyana.
The producer brand says the producer not as the artist. No can tell.
Hey yo guys, it is Eshe Sangqa, the sexiest man in Skrande. Chocolate no vanilla. Vile guys, no freestyle namhlanje. No freestyle, nothing. We are not
rappers.
Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and follow. Saphinde sibuye kwenye episode ezayo. Thank you. See you again when I see you, and when I see you, they see you. Be sexy, man.
Bravo.
Yeah.